Is water wet, or does water just make things wet? It sounds like a stupid question, until you realize nobody can actually agree on the answer. Think about it. If water is wet, then what made the very first drop of water wet? There had to be a first drop, a single drop floating alone in the darkness of the universe. No oceans, no rivers, no rain, just one drop. Was it wet, or was it something else entirely? Maybe wet doesn't exist. Maybe it's just a sensation your brain creates when water touches you, which means you've never actually felt water. You've only felt your mind interpreting it. The ocean isn't wet. The rain isn't wet. Even the water inside your body isn't wet. So every time you've touched water, you've been interacting with something your brain can't fully describe. And if your brain can trick you about something as simple as water, what else has it been lying to you about your entire life?